What is important to you?
So today we are prepping. I'm going to London on Friday. Today is Sunday. We were supposed to leave on literally Thanksgiving, but they literally delayed our flight. So now we have one less day in London, but it's still gonna be fun. Gonna be a little girls trip. I haven't done long nails in a minute because, you know, I've been in my professional era, so I've been doing short nails or no nails. But I'm ready to get my nails done. I'm ready to feel like a girl again. And then when I get home, I want to start packing for my trip because Monday and Tuesday I'm busy, and then Thursday is like Thanksgiving, so I basically only have today and Wednesday. So when I get home, I'm gonna start packing and just start getting myself together for this trip to London. So yeah, let's go get our nails done.
Is that too long?
No?
You just lost your mom.
Like with the duck tip on it. Cause it's gonna be that length. Like this one.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So I'm done from my nail appointment. Guess what time it is? Why is it 8 p.m.? I literally started my nail appointment at 3:30 and it literally took like 4 hours to finish my nails, but they came out so cute. These are the nails. This is how they came out. I got this like chrome color with French tip on 2 of the nails, and then there's some water droplets. This came out so fire, even though it took 4 hours, but I mean, I would say the 4 hours were worth it because it came out cute, but 4 hours is low-key a long time to just be sitting there. But I'm just happy I'm done. It's literally pitch black. I don't even know if I'm gonna have the energy to go home and start packing. I don't know. I'm just gonna see how I feel when I get home. If I don't do my whole packing thing today, then I'll probably have to do it like on Tuesday or Wednesday. Today I just went out and did some last minute errands. So I went to go get a pedicure, got my toes done, and then I went to the dollar store. I went to the beauty supply store just to pick up some last minute things. I have my suitcase here. Ugh. My mom was like, oh, why don't you just take like a little carry-on? I'm like, girl, I cannot fit all my stuff in a carry-on. Like, I don't care if I'm going on a trip for like one day. Like I would still need this big ass suitcase. But about to start packing. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff I picked up specifically for this trip to London. Let me show y'all some of the stuff I picked up today though. I just got some toothbrushes that come with like the these plastic like containers to keep them in, so I can have something to keep my toothbrushes in. I stocked up on some makeup wipes. I got some razors, lash glue, and then I got some of these these like plastic bags to put like your toiletries in. Let me open them up. They came in a pack of 3, so I think I'm gonna put like, I don't know, some makeup in here, like just like my essentials, deodorant, body wash, skincare, anything that I'm gonna be using in the bathroom. Just gonna put these in here. And then I got some headphones because the airline we're flying with, we're gonna have to pay to buy like headphones if you want to like watch a movie on the screen. So I just got me the rest of some like headphones. Okay, so now let's get into the clothes, let's get into the shoes, let's get into the packing. Okay, so the first thing I have is this jacket. I got this from ASOS, but the brand is called Pull and Bear. I got this because I feel like sometimes when you wear jackets, it's like the jacket ruins the outfit, but I feel like this is a jacket that is like it's part of the fit. And London is very cold and gloomy. Like I checked the weather, it's even colder in London than it is in New York right now. This is how it fits. And I like how it looks when it's like kind of off the shoulder. I love the way it fits, and it actually does keep you warm. But I just needed a jacket that was like gonna keep me warm but also still fashionable. Like next item I got for the trip are these fur boots. I feel like fur boots are so comfortable. You can wear them with anything, and I should have had these in my closet. These are like a staple. I even got this fur headband to kind of match with it. Hold on, let's try it on. This is either gonna look fire or gonna make me look mad dumb. Okay, so we got the hat, we got the, hold on, this is kind of cute. Let me put the boots on. Why is it giving, it's giving winter baby. It's giving I'm going sledding, I'm going snowboarding, yeah. Okay, so next item I picked up for this trip to London are these boots. Now these boots are kind of like a hit or miss because I showed my friend, she doesn't get the vision yet, but the girls that get it. I got these boots. I've been seeing these styled a lot on Instagram recently. They're these what would you even call these? They're like these lace up buckle boots. Let me put them on so y'all can kind of see. Okay, so these are the boots. I have a bad habit of like buying something even if I'm only gonna wear like one time. Like these boots, like look at how high these are, look at how big the heel is. Like this is not everyday boots, this is not something I'm gonna be wearing often, but I was still willing to spend money on it because it makes sense. I've seen them styled like more grungy, I've seen them styled more girly, I've seen them styled like dressed up with like a dress. So I don't know yet. I think I have an outfit in mind for it, but these are more so for like pictures, like honestly, because nobody's walking around in these all day. Okay, so next item I got specifically for London is this like London jersey top. I also got these glasses to match with it. I got these like glasses with a yellow tint. I'm thinking of wearing this top with some baggy jeans, my jacket that I just shown y'all, and some boots. And then I'm going to bring some other pairs of glasses in case I need them. I don't really wear it. First of all, it's not even summer anymore. I don't know if people wear sunglasses in winter, but I have these ones with like a bluish tint. I don't really wear sunglasses because I hate anything that affects like my vision. I don't know. I'm just very sensitive when it comes to being able to see because my eyesight is so bad. So like with sunglasses, I don't know. I don't like seeing things in the dark. Like why is it dark? I mean, obviously that's the point because like you're supposed to wear them in the sun. But I don't know, that's why I don't really wear sunglasses, but I might need them for some of my outfits, so I'm gonna bring these two. Next I have this two-piece. I needed like something that I'm able to wear to dinner, so I got this two-piece lace skirt that comes with this top, and the top has like this silver detail in the front. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but I tried it on and it actually came out really cute, so I'm probably gonna wear this to dinner on her actual. Why is the airplane, no, I don't even know if y'all can hear that if the camera is picking it up, but why is there like, it's like we're going to war. Why are there mad airplanes in the air right now? I literally have to deal with this every day. Airplane noises, like all day. I don't know what I'm gonna wear them with. Maybe some heels, and then just carry like a cute purse. And then I picked up a bunch of other items. Like I got some baggy jeans. I feel like baggy jeans look really good with like, you know, pointed heels or like pointed boots. So I think I'm gonna wear them with that. What else did I get? I got this top, this God's favorite shirt. I thought it was cute, so I just picked this up. I don't know what I'm gonna wear it with, but I'm just gonna pack it. I picked up this bag, this gray bag. I love like bags that have like a little knot. I don't know what exactly I'm gonna wear this with yet, but I just picked up a new bag because I felt like, I don't know, I just needed, what is this? What the hell is this? This is not mine. Bro, I have no idea what this is. This is like somebody's lip balm or something that was in my brand new bag that I just purchased, and I will be suing because this is disgusting. And then I just got some other like tops and pants and like just stuff that I could wear with anything in case I need some extra outfits. And I got a bunch of jewelry because I like having options when it comes to jewelry. I bought a bunch of rings. I got some gold rings, silver rings, cross necklace, some silver chains, some more silver jeans. I bought a bunch of silver because I already have like a lot of gold. And I love gold jewelry, but I feel like silver goes really well when you're wearing like cool toned outfits. So like my gray washed out pants, or even like this color top, like I feel like silver looks really good on stuff like this. So yeah, I got a bunch of different like statement pieces of jewelry. This is another necklace that I got. I got 2 of these statement bangles, one in gold and one in silver. This is what they look like. This is the other one. But yeah, I just got a bunch of jewelry so I can have options when it comes to styling. And then now for some items that I already picked up before. Obviously, I didn't want to just buy a whole new wardrobe for a 3-day trip. I'm going to bring some items I already have. So like some shoes, my favorite black boots. I'm going to bring these with me. I'm going to bring my silver boots. I don't even know necessarily what I'm wearing this with. I'm just bringing anything that I can need, honestly. Like just in case, I'm going to bring it. I'm going to bring some of my bags. I might have to start, I don't know, my suitcase is starting to look a little bit filled up. I mean, I haven't folded the stuff yet properly. I'm just throwing everything in just as I'm showing you guys. But once I start packing for real, I gotta make sure I don't overpack because nobody's paying $500 at the airport for, you know, extra luggage. Okay, so I ended up putting all the shoes in here because I don't know, seeing all the shoes laid out there and seeing how much space was taking up, it was just stressing me out. It was giving me anxiety. Like, it was making me feel like I have no space to like pack my clothes. So I put it in here so it's just like out of my way, and I can actually fold my clothes and put them in this section because I honestly don't think the clothes are going to take up that much space. Like, I'm really only bringing 3 days worth of clothes, so. I don't know how or why this suitcase is already feeling like it's 50 pounds for a 3-day trip. Like, it's not even my birthday. I don't know why. Like, it's not that bad. It's probably like 40 something pounds, but I'm just scared because I haven't even put like my essentials in, my hair straightener, like all the other things I need to put in. So tomorrow, once I put everything else I need to put in, I'm gonna weigh it and let's just hope it does not exceed the limit because there's actually no reason for this to be already feeling heavy. Yeah, this is enough for tonight. Just doing that was enough for me. I hate like getting ready for a flight and like having to do all that. Actually, no, I hate unpacking more than I hate packing. I think unpacking is worse, but for now, that's what I'm gonna do. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, but my friend is having a party at her house. After I have Thanksgiving with my family, I think I'm gonna go over to her house. And then Friday is travel day, literally 2 days till the trip to London. So on Friday, I'm gonna vlog and just like my last minute prep. And then I'm gonna meet up with Arissa and we're gonna be at the airport and we're gonna be on our flight to London. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's gonna be such a fun trip. But yeah, today drained me. That's all I can say. Let's put this away. Morning, guys. So today is travel day. It is currently, is it even morning anymore? It's 1:06 p.m. Our flight is at 6:10 p.m. so I'm trying to get to the airport at like 3 so I have enough time, especially because it's like international, so you need enough time for like check-in and just anything that could possibly go wrong. I'm praying nothing goes wrong though. I don't think anything will go wrong, but I just get so nervous at the airport because it's always something with me. Like, there's always an issue with my luggage, my passport. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. After I spent time with my family, I ended up going to my friend's house. Got home around like 1, so I was like really tired. So I'm happy this is not like an early flight. And then this morning, I just started doing last minute packing. I had made a list yesterday just to make sure like I don't forget anything. So like I had made a list of things I have left to pack. So I finished doing all of that. And now I have my luggage packed, which I'm about to close up. I still have to put my hair straightener in there. And then this is gonna be my carry-on because it's like an easy bag to carry. Like, I hate just having to carry and pull so many bags at the airport. Like, this is just gonna be easy. And then I'm just gonna carry my purse. But yeah, I can't believe it's travel day already. We've been like anticipating this trip, and it's like when something finally comes that you've been anticipating, it's like time starts to move like so fast now. Like, I don't know, I can't believe it's actually today. This is what I'm weighing it with, which it's inaccurate, but it gives you like a estimate of like where, you know, the luggage is at. The fact that I could lift it, it's like heavy, but it's liftable, so I don't think I'm over the limit. So first it said 42 pounds, then it said 43.5. I waited a third time, it said 43.5. I was like, let me wait one time, it says 43.5. So I'm assuming it's 43.5. I feel like 43 is a safe like a safe number, but I just don't know how accurate that is for weighing suitcases. It's probably gonna be a little bit more when I get to their scale, but I feel like it's not gonna like go over 50 or anything. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Have my luggage packed. I made my carry-on a little bit heavier, but it's not too bad. And I'm just gonna carry my purse. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I feel like now I just have to clean my room and like organize it and then put my luggage to the side. And then at like 2:30 or something, I'll probably start making my way to the airport. So yeah, I'll update you guys when I leave. So I'm at the airport. I'm trying to find check-in. It's 3:30, so I'm pretty good with time. I just want to get there though so I can see if my bag is not overweight.
Any batteries in the check-in bag?
No.
Any carry-on bags?
Yeah, this.
Space in the check-in bag?
Huh? No.
Condor Airlines flight DE2017 is currently staging for the following.